Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Haroldus, and today I would like to talk about the current AI hype and how some people are saying that it will replace software engineers and other professions.
Probably in 2025, we at Meta are going to have an AI that can effectively be a sort of mid-level engineer that can write code.
The obvious thing about all of the agentic AI engineers like Devin is that they don't actually work if you think about it logically. Let's say I created an agentic AI that can be as good as a mid-level software engineer. Why would I sell it for only $500 a month? Instead, I would run as many of these agents as I could and create the best software in the world. I would create web apps, video games, operating systems, mobile apps, and pretty much any software that I can sell or charge a subscription for and have complete market dominance with my software, as I have AI engineers that don't need a salary. They never complain, never get tired, and never burn out. They can work day and night without stopping, so the software iteration rate would be crazy fast. I would be pushing out daily updates. So you don't need to be a genius to understand that AI software engineers are currently complete BS, and how these companies are raising so much money from investors when they're not profitable is beyond my understanding. What about OpenAI's ChatGPT and DeepSeek R1 large language models? Well, I think that they're cool, but they're not actually what I would consider a proper AI. Just because a chatbot responds intelligently doesn't mean that it is actually intelligent. So you might think, why do I say that? Because I see LLMs as an evolution of the search engine. Tokenizing was used for decades in search engines. The new thing is using these tokens with autoregressive modeling and transformer architecture neural networks to predict the next word. Because large language models are trained on so much data, they seem like they are providing intelligent answers, like they actually have thought behind them, but in reality they just provide the answers that they have seen the most amount of times in their training data, or the answers that seems to be the most relevant to a given query. Similar to how a search engine is trying to do the same thing. That's why I see LLMs just as an evolution of the search engine, not as artificial intelligence. Even though I use ChatGPT and now the DeepSeek R1 daily and think that they are both really useful tools, I don't believe in all of the AI hype and that we are going to see an actual AGI anytime soon. I think for a system to be called AGI in simple terms, it needs to, number one, think, number two, learn, and number three, understand like a human. So far, I think we are only simulating the learning by training LLMs and simulating the thinking with the responses that they provide, and the understanding bit is very bad currently. Here is an example of the DeepSeek R1 running locally on Llama with 7 billion parameters, and it can't even do a mid-level lead code question. This particular lead code question actually got it stuck in a loop. It started to generate the answer at 8 minutes past 3 and finished about 25 minutes past 3, and this is at 20 times the speed. Also, the generated answer was wrong. Then I tried the same thing with the web version. Then I also tried ChatGPT, which actually gave an answer that ran. However, it was either too slow or wrong. So currently it is nowhere close to being a mid-level engineer. Maybe it will get there in the future. However, in my personal opinion, we're not going to lose our jobs to AI until someone manages to create an actual AGI, and by then it will probably be better for everyone. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.